Hello, and welcome to our latest video. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. We are here to empower maintenance and operations teams with the tools and resources they need to be more successful. Today, I want to reveal a strategy that could unlock your manufacturing objectives and help your business reach new heights of success. We will be delving into the fascinating world of the theory of constraints. We'll look at its application, core principles, and its pros and cons. You'll also learn how companies like Mazda and Dr. Reddy's laboratories have applied this theory with great results, so stay tuned for some transformational insights. So what exactly is the theory of constraints? It's a management strategy that focuses on improving the most critical and limiting factor, also known as the bottleneck, until it is identified and resolved. This process is based on the philosophy that all complex systems are made of multiple activities that are all interlinked. When that bottleneck is eliminated, the entire process becomes streamlined, more efficient, and more reliable. Now let's talk about the goal of the theory of constraints. In the simplest terms, the goal is profit, both in the long term and short term. To achieve this goal, the theory rests on prioritizing improvement activities above everything else. The top constraint is always the problem that must be solved first. You might be wondering, where can we apply the theory of constraints? Well, it can be used in a variety of applications like project management, production management, sales and marketing, distribution, and supply chain management. Now let's dive into the core principles of the theory of constraints. There are two major pillars of this theory. The first one is the 5 focusing steps, which include 1. Identifying the constraint. 2. Exploiting the constraint. 3. Subordinating everything else to the above decision. 4. Elevating the constraint. 5. And repeating the process. The second pillar is throughput accounting, an alternative accounting system that prioritizes eliminating traditional issues that plague accounting, such as accumulating too much inventory and so-called paper profits. Now, like any other strategy, the theory of constraints has its pros and cons. On the plus side, it improves communication between departments, excels at improving short-run capacity decisions, and is a great strategy for revitalizing large organizations. On the downside, it can lead to neglect of areas that do not face constraints, promotes a desire to reduce capacity and production, and is a short-term, rapid solution to constraints, which can lead to neglect of long-term improvements. Let's look at some examples of the theory of constraints in action. In manufacturing, companies like Dr. Reddy's laboratories have seen great results. In maintenance, it bridges the gap between a maintenance department and the rest of the company. And in healthcare, it can be invaluable when it comes to managing mountains of paperwork and all of its attendant problems. So how can you implement the theory of constraints in your business? Start with the 5 focusing steps. It's a straightforward cycle that can be easily scaled up or down according to your needs. Remember to get buy-in from other managers and departments, and keep in mind that changing the way people think takes time. In conclusion, the theory of constraints is a great method to revitalize companies and their processes. It's easy to implement on a small scale to see if it works for your needs. Try it out today in tandem with a quality computerized maintenance management software and see where it will take you. Remember, the sky's the limit. Thank you for watching this video where we explored the theory of constraints, its application, core principles, and its pros and cons. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and operations teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.